Taking closest, Jackson's eating a really expensive cookie. Yeah, we're here at Fleet Carnival. Their Funfair here. It's only on here till tomorrow, so by the time this vlog's out, it's already gone. So hopefully give you a look at some of the rides and some POVs on there. Try and get Jackson on the frog hopper. No? We're here at the carnival, but yeah, it's on tomorrow, but this vlog won't be out until next week, so it's going to be too late for that. Yeah, it's paper ride. We've got the Graveyard Express ghost train, which I hopefully I'm going to get on. You right there, Jackson? Got glue stuck to his leg. Little swing chairs here. Yeah, probably won't be doing too much. It's very busy down there, like it was this time last year. I'll give the ghost train a go though. That's the sort of ride you go on now, isn't it? Back up for the Fleet Carnival. It was a bit busy for us earlier, so we went back home, had something to drink, come back up, look at it. Fleet Carnival Funfair. Absolutely this evening. Yeah, so we've got Jackson on the frog hopper. We never thought it would happen. Looking forward to this, honestly, he's going to love this. Yeah, it was so busy here earlier, there was no way of doing a vlog here. Yeah, they've got the go-gator here, they've got the bouncers, they've got the bumper cars or dodgers or whatever you want to call them, little mini sky flyers, inflatables, and yeah, so, and also at Miami. So I'll give you a quick view of what other rides we've got here in a minute. Yeah, I think Jackson's looking forward to this. We're going to have to talk all over this because I've got feelings copyright on the music, so yeah, I'm not too sure whether Jackson's enjoying it or not, but sounds like he's having fun. Yeah, it's got good bounces. I don't think Jackson's enjoying it. Nice enjoying it. And off it goes again. I don't know whether you can see him mouthing a few words there, but see if he gives us away. I think he's actually enjoying it. He's got his hands in here.
They were like, hi! I came up the seat. I was like, ah! Smacked against the side.
Was it good though?
It was absolutely horrendous.
It looked like fun. You had your hands in the air.
Yeah, only a little bit.
Well done. Well done, Jackson. I told you it was good fun, didn't I?
I don't want to get backwards.
It does go backwards though. Yeah, it's good fun though. Can you see Mummy? Yeah, so we come to the Funfair. Jackson's doing his word search there. Look at that. Go everyone away. Wave to the camera. There we go. Yes, I know he was a bit worried about going on here. It's not as bad as Gravity that we've done in the past. It's a good ride though. Well, we are rocking. Oh, that's evolution there, yeah. It wasn't too bad, was it? First time, and you thought you were going to be blacking out, didn't you? So he said, just give us a wave. Not at all. Jackson could do that, they can move their things up and down, but he'd rather do his work, so there's a lot worse rides out there than that. Yeah, so you held on to the top. They've got a Circus Funhouse here. We can see what. I want to get Jackson on the ghost train.
You know the wheel that we did? That was much worse.
Yeah, the gravity wheel. Yeah, so they got the Dumbos here as well, which we saw at Alton, didn't we? Alton Butts, I think it was. Didn't give those a go. And Circus World with the funny tunnel and stuff. Oh my god! Oh, scary monster! So yeah, that was the ghost train here. Yeah. Graveyard Express. Jackson's going to go hunting for pennies, I think. No. Decided not to. Yeah, so it's so quiet here. There's not hardly anyone here. So can't get you any views of the Miami going around. Get you a bit of the old bumper cars going around. Yeah, so yeah. John said they've been doing this for years, so I think they've been supporting Fleet Carnival since it's been back. It used to be the Wolf, so if I remember rightly, many moons ago, with the original fair, which was over on the views. So this is Capital Park. There's a button. Getting run over by a little monster. Hey, look who it is.
I know.
Who is it? What'd you say?
Hi.
Hi, you're right. Improved on the old bungee trampolines. Look at that. It's getting all taped up. Look, getting harnessed up.
You ready for this? You've got to jump really high, Jackson.
Don't you make this 5 minutes? Flips.
Go on then. You can do a flip then. If I was on it, I would.
Yeah, I do flippy flops. Actually, I better get some film of him going up and down, because I think I've missed it. A lot better than last time. Still going to kill himself on going into the ropes at the back. An adult version. Well, that might be the way forward. Here he is. Travelling around. What's your channel called again?
Simon, size 76.
Right, there you go. That's with Simon over there.
Size 76.
Size 76. Yeah, so yeah, busy day then.
Yeah, it's been quite busy today.
Yeah, it's we came down earlier. It's just too busy for us. So we sort of come back up. Got Jackson on the frog.
Did he like it?
He loved it because it doesn't go backwards.
Sometimes they do.
Yeah, he made sure he didn't go backwards. If it went backwards, he wouldn't come on out. Because the last one he'd done before this, he freaked out. It just suddenly went backwards and went, ah! So, yeah.
Hang on in a minute. I'll go then.
Holding there for as long as possible. Love that ride. There you go, a bit of music trick there going around.
And a 5 days for my word that.
He's done 5 bases on his word check. Just met Christian and Simon from, I can't remember, but I'll mention him later. Simon and Christian, they've got their own YouTube channel. Give you a link in a little bit in the description below. Yeah, so I think that's it for us here at John Sills with John Sills at Funfair, working alongside Fleet Carnival. There's Jackson having a boogie over there. Just ran off. Just want to finish the vlog off. Jackson, come here. What's your favourite ride here today? Wet Search. If you watch it, the boys and girls do.
And the jumping thing. So like and subscribe first. Same as last time. Don't go to David's video, it's my video.
Bye then.
Bye. See you later. Peace.
Yeah. Going to the park now. Yeah, it's a little park now.
Have a great day.